现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for another round of Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase don't know, 不知道。
唔知。
Okay, that means don't know. So what don't you know? How about you don't know if a shop is open or a clinic is open? 其实有的时候，尤其假日，到底这个餐厅、这个商店、这个诊所
有没有开？
有没有开？
不知道
那可能要去查一下，或怎么样打电话去问都可以了。Okay, so let's put you in a situation like that. You don't know if, let's say, a clinic or maybe your dentist is it open or not. So let's hear this conversation. 我们听这段对话。
我牙齒很痛哦。
根本日係病了人呢，唔知診所有開冇？
唔做得夾夾老外天數打電話去問冇？
打電話去問冇，就是打電話去問啦，對不對？ That's the easiest way.
可以幫我打電話去問
對，
嗎？
不過你是去哪一個診所啊？是什麼東西很痛？
牙齒痛。
Yeah, I hate it when you have a toothache, pain in your mouth, and you got to find a dentist, right? 就是牙痛啊，痛起来真是要人命啊。
是啊。
Okay, so 這一句話叫我牙齒好痛哦。
我牙齒很痛哦。
我牙齒很痛哦。牙齒 that means your teeth.
牙齒
Okay, 牙齒 that means your teeth. 很痛哦，
很痛。
Okay, well, it's a holiday today, right? 今天是假日，不知道診所有沒有開？
根本日係病了人呢。
係病了人呢。
唔知診所有開冇？
唔知診所有開冇？診所就是診所 That's the clinic. I don't know if the clinic is open or not. Okay, 開 that means to open or not. Okay, so the person asks someone to call for them. 你可以趕快幫我打電話去問嗎？
唔做得夾夾老外天數。
做得夾夾老外天數。
打電話去問冇？
打電話去問冇？Okay, 打電話 means to call. 打電話去問，夾夾。
趕快夾夾。
Okay, 老外天數 that means to help me make this call. All right, let's review some of the phrases that we brought up, such as your teeth, 牙齒, and then 痛, that means hurt, it's painful. And then also, how about to help, 帮忙? 天數, okay, it means to help. All right, and this whole month, it's all about the phrase don't know, 不知道.
唔知.
And let's hear the conversation again.
我牙齒很痛哦。
根本日係病了人呢，唔知診所有開冇？
唔做得夾夾老外天數打電話去問冇？
All right, hope you learned a few phrases, and that does for today's Conversational Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.